Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to recover a locked Payoneer account. So if your Payoneer account has been locked, that means you have violated a rule, and or you have multiple sign-ins. So to clear that, you have to either reset your password, or that is if it's an option. But if it's not an option, if you have been locked permanently, for not permanent but temporarily, from Payoneer would ideally send you a Gmail where you can click on it and know what actually went wrong. So if it's a redeemable one, that means if it's temporal, I mean your account will be restored. But if not, I will advise you create a new one. So that is how to actually tackle the problem associated with Payoneer locking your account. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a great day.